Hey guys, it's Piper here. Today we're at Thornhill. Today we're at Sumas Mountain for a change. Today we're at Ledgeview and Abbotsford. We're at Bear Mountain. Fucking give her, bud! Woo! Really wanted to. Yo! That was sick! Alrighty, round 3 technically. Got some more water, got some more food, even got more pressure in my tires, so hopefully this one should go quite well. Hell yeah, man, hell yeah. But yeah, this time I'm gonna be doing Superbear. Should be pretty fun, quite enjoy it. Nice blue jump trail that I haven't been to for a hot minute at this point. See if I've gotten any better on it. Not quite sure if that'll be the case, but figure it doesn't hurt to try. Oh, hello again. Alright, good. Whew, close one. Alright. But you guys just saw this climb. Catch you when we get to some good parts. Ah, there we go. Whew, that's what? Well, that changed. Why people leave their boulders around, I will never know. But hopefully that's better. Continue on. But really though, if you notice that you put something out of whack, just stop for a second and put it back in its place, you know? Better for the next person coming along these trails, then they don't have to stop. But I guess that's not everyone's prerogative. Such is life, man. Such is life. Do love this part. Able to blast through the forest. And then we're back to the climb. It doesn't last long, but it is pretty fun. And here we go. Ooh, almost caught me there. Here's the bridge again. Good shit. Still got a ways to climb up, but glad to see that I've gotten through at least the lower portion. Pretty soon we'll be hitting the crossing. Not soon enough for me though. Oh well, see you guys in a bit. Alright, let's see if I can hit this kicker again. It is pretty fun. Ah, oh, nice. That's actually pretty neat once you get the trick of it. I like her. I like it quite a bit. Alright, let's see if I can get this boulder this time. Feel like I'll be able to. Ha! Good. Even if my tire did skid a little bit, I'm still happy that I was able to get that. Ain't much, but every small victory lumps into a big one, you know? Something, man. Something to be happy about. It ain't gotta be much to be a nice view. Sometimes it really is just a pretty sky. But I'm gonna chill out for a bit and head over to Superbear. See you guys in a second. Back at Superbear. Hell yeah, brother. Woo! Hey guys. Today we're back at Superbear, and hopefully I'll be able to do a bit of a better showing for you than I was last time. Been pretty hot minute since last time that I was here, so I'm hoping that I've improved. See about that. But for a little change up, I spied that there was a little alternative drop-in up behind those trees. There's a little boulder roll or something like that, so I figured I'd go up there, check it out, and then we'll send it down. Nothing too different, but Just a couple rock rolls. Neat little alternative way to start off Superbear. But enough chit-chatting, let's head down the mountain. Alright, Superbear in the back of mission. See how this one fares. That went fairly smoothly, as well as I could have hoped. Well, yeah, I'm just hoping to see if I can clear any of the jumps this time. There are a couple that I remember from the last time that had a bit of a chance to them for me, but no promises yet. Not quite yet, at least. Do rather enjoy this trail, though, all things considered. Whew. I always forget that corner is so flat. Always catches me out. Oh, this is fun though. Sketchy. Oh, fuck me. Oh god, the front end slid out on that one. That is not what I wanted. This one's a bit sketchier. This part handled out well. Nice. Goodness, just a bit wet here though. Now it's where the jumps begin. Not getting this one. Pretty big for me. I do like that one though. Nice. Ha! Good shit. Nice. Good so far, I'd say. Those ones had... Oh, fuck, that's a tree. That's a literal tree. Well, that's not what I was expecting. Alright. Just a second. Ah, well. Usually I try to clear those trees out for people, but for some strange reason, don't really think I'm going to be able to do that one on my own. It does smell pretty good though, all things considered. Nice. Oh, those berms are just fucking mint. Oh, actually, let's try and clear that jump. Alright. That last run through actually felt pretty clean, so I feel like I have a chance to get this one this time. You never know until you try, right? Ah, not quite yet. Need to trust the berms a bit more. Oh well. Probably gonna be another one further up that I can hit. It is all good. Not too concerned. Oh. Came up on me. Too many bugs out right now. My goodness. Oh. Not going for that one either. Fun one to try on. pretty flat there, but it is fun. What can you say? And this is the boulder. Oh. And these jumps. These are the ones I was actually thinking of trying on. They have a pretty good case pad. Figure I'll give her a shot. Alright, I tried to fix up the berm a little bit, so I'll see if that makes an inch of a difference. If not, it's such as life. Oh, nope. Yeah, no, not enough speed. I really do like this trail, and I know that most of it is on me, just to be a better rider, but I do feel like a good trail day to this place, fix it up a bit, and this could be like a major attraction for Mission, because it is like an amazing trail. It's just, I don't know, some of these berms are a lot of it rocky, but you know, can't complain too much. Still some bomb ass riding basically in my backyard, you know. It's fine that way. Good stuff though. Do love that trail. And now we're back at the pond. Oh. And that was Superbear. As usual, an amazing trail, but I'm gonna go back to my car and take these leg pads off. It's starting to get quite hot, so I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so that was my day in the back of Mission. Artem's Guns and Rotors was actually a really fun trail. It was a bit more harder, but it was a bit harder than I was expecting, but that's sort of be expected, like it is a double black, but I definitely think I'll be able to clear it like eventually. I'll need to practice a bit more and just sort of get better at some of my skills, but I definitely think that it's an option, you know? Pretty neat that way. But yeah, Jolly Rancher was also really fun. Some of the drops caught me by surprise, but that's just knowing the track, you know? Nothing to complain with there. But yeah, as per usual, I'm getting hungry and I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna have to head home now. But till I see you next time, hope you have a good time, and yeah, peace out.